Tulad ng sino mang nagmamahalan, ang bagong kasal na sina Carlo at Joanne ay nagdanais na bumuo ng pamilya. But they wanted to ensure a good life for their baby, so they decided to work abroad.
When we got married, December of 2005, and after that, we were actually planning of having a baby. Bulasik muna namin ni Joanne na save up some money muna for the baby, for her future needs. So,
pag tinatanong ako before kung dream ko mag-alaga ng anak, mag-ipon muna, ipon, para by the time na magka-baby kami, hindi magiging reference.
Finally, nagdalang tao na nga si Joanne.
A month after my birthday, na
Dumating na nga ang araw na pinakahihintay nila.
God bless us with a beautiful baby girl. We were very excited, lalo na from my side of the family kasi it will be the first grandchild.
May kakaibang kakambal pala ang kaligayahang iyon.
Some bad news agad from the pediatrician. Sabi niya, knowing that yung newborn baby namin may sakit agad, it was hard to accept.
Yung sagot niya, parang hindi ko nakita na may problem. Parang siguro tinatakoy na rin. Then, syempre, galing ako sa operation ay sabi ko, i-active din siya sa nursing.
Natuklasan ng mga doktor na si Hannah ay may congenital central hypoventilation syndrome o CCHS, isang rare inborn disorder na nagpe-prevent sa may sakit na huminga kapag siya ay natutulog. Walang gamot o operasyon na makakapagpagaling sa isang taong may CCHS. Ang buhay ni Hannah ay nakasalalay lamang sa isang ventilator, aparato na tumutulong sa paghinga ng pasyente kapag natutulog siya.
Accepting that Hannah was suffering from CCHS was very difficult. It wasn't that instant. We were still hoping maybe it was something that she could grow out of, or maybe the doctor's diagnosis was wrong, or there may be some kind of medication for this.
Tulad ng sino mang magulang, ginawa nila lahat para lang maisalba ang buhay ng anak. Dahil sa labis na pagmamahal sa kanilang anak at matinding pagpupursiging maalagaan ito, isang mahalagang desisyon ang ginawa ni Carlo.
I choose my family. So I quit work. Where we're gonna get the money was so uncertain.
Iba kapag kami nandun eh. So iba yung naging parang less sakitin si Hannah. Kailangan natin tutukan si Hannah.
Ito ay nag-cause ng matinding epekto sa finances ng pamilya, lalo pa sa pangailangang medikal ni Hannah. Hanggang sa dumating ang isang pangyayaring makakapagpabago sa kanilang buhay at magsisindi ng ilaw ng pag-asa para sa pamilya.
A family friend visited to see our daughter, pray over her. When we recited the rosary together.
Feeling ko hindi yung prayer for healing na for Hannah. Feeling ko ako yung nag-heal.
Sorpresa mag-asawa sa blessing na dala ng pag-spread ng prayers for Hannah sa pamagitan ng mga rosary bracelets na ito.
Ano una kasi yung rosaries for Hannah, parang gifts namin sa mga nurses, sa mga tumutulong. Bakit rosary? Kasi sobrang naging malaking factor yung praying of rosary for us eh. Nabalik yung faith namin kay God.
Nakatagpo ng isa pang guardian angel si Hannah nang makilala ni Carlo at Joanne ang mga tao sa Benigno S. Aquino Foundation.
the difficulties that when they experience all these difficulties in trying to address the needs of Hannah, they found so much comfort in the generosity and also the care that other people actually have expressed.
Yun, nagpakasakali kami. I made this design for a rosary, and I included a letter requesting that if they could help us sell the rosaries.
Searched in the internet about the campaign and what it's all about. And doon nga nakita niya na it's all about finding new heroes, finding new heroes in present-day Philippines. And
With a rosary, the way we see it, parang siyang seed. And the Benigno Aquino Foundation planted that seed.
Pag nakikita ko yung rosaries for Hannah, it symbolizes our love for Hannah, our devotion to Mama Mary, our love to God.
actually, this is how the family is kept alive. It's really bringing people back to the rosary, bringing people back to prayer.
Naging simbolo ang rosary bracelets for Hannah ng kabayanihan ng magulang para sa anak na nagbabind sa sangkatauhan para maging konektado sa isa't isa sa dasal sa bagong pag-asa. Susunod sa IM